Hello everyone. So here today we are discussing about hydration and hydrogenation. Okay, so hydrogen and hydrogenation. So hydration in what happened, hydrogenation is what happened. So hydration in so adding of water molecules. So where we add, so now we'll see. And so this is hydration, means addition of water molecules. Okay, so here hydrogenation, addition of H2. So both are addition. So what happens? So unsaturated compounds, when unsaturated compounds is alkene plus water, so it get alkene. So here in the place of alkene plus water, so it gives rise to alkane. In the place of water we are adding H2, so again alkene to alkane. So look at this hydration process and hydrogenation, so how they are formed. Now we'll see. So here alkene and alkane, water molecules, adding of water molecules and hydrogen. So for example, I'll take in hydration process. First one is we discussing hydration. So hydration, in hydration what happened? So we are, for example, here alkene, here C double bond O C. Okay, this is the alkene, unsaturated compounds. In the shortcut form you see unsaturated compounds is getting hydrolysis, so our hydration takes place. So here water is aqua is converts to H plus and OH minus. Okay, so this is going to be attack on this, so it will be formed like H and CH and HOH. So ethanol will form C2 and C2H5OH. So this is going to be formed, or here H1 is there. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is a 5 carbon ring. So saturated compounds will be getting. So here C carbon has 3 hydrogen, 1 2 3. So carbon has here 2 and here 1. So here this is alcohol group. Okay, so ethanol. Okay, ethanol will be formed. So from the alkane, so alkane will be formed. Okay, so this is the conversion, means hydration process. So next one we'll see the hydrogenation. Okay, so again with alkane, so in the process of, so it can converts into alkane. So that is, so from ethanol is hydrogenation process, water adding. So next one is hydrogenation. So this is alkene. The formula of alkene is the another name is olefin also. When we treated the well olefins, so in the presence of H2 hydrogenation, so it gives rise to alkene. Okay, here and here one. So this is the alkene. Here hydrogen atoms are there. So alkane, so unsaturated compounds gives rise to saturated compounds in the presence of H2. This is a specialty of the conversion of double bond. So it break the bond. Okay, so it will form alkane. Okay, this is the hydrogenation process and hydrogen process. So these are the basic thing, and